In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give someone access to your Google Drive, a fundamental skill for effective collaboration in both professional and personal digital environments. Sharing files on Google Drive allows seamless integration and teamwork, so let's dive right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser and head over to drive.google.com. This is your portal to all things Google Drive, where you'll find a list of your files and folders. If you aren't already logged into your Google account, you'll need to do that first. Once logged in, identify the specific file or folder you want to share. Now hover over the file or folder and right-click to bring up a context menu. In this menu, select the Share option. This is the gateway to granting access to others. The Share with People in Groups dialog box will pop up on your screen. Here, you can manually type or paste the email addresses of the individuals you wish to share the file with. Make sure to double-check these recipients to ensure accuracy. Below the email input field, you will see a drop-down menu that defaults to Viewer. This option allows your selected individuals to view the file without making any changes. If you want them to edit or comment, you have the option to select either Editor or Commenter from this drop-down. Choose according to what level of interaction you need them to have. Before you finalize and send your invitation, there's a message box at the bottom where you can include a personal note explaining why you're sharing the file, what's expected, or any other pertinent information. This adds a personal touch and circumvents any confusion. When you double-check that everything is in order, click the Send button, and your recipients will receive an email invite to view, comment, or edit the file as per the permissions you've set. For more advanced settings, click on the Settings gear icon at the top right of the Sharing dialog box. Here, you can control whether editors are allowed to change permissions and share, as well as whether viewers and commenters can see the rest of the file's details. This helps manage security and collaboration efficacy precisely to your liking. To double-check the people with access later, simply right-click the file or folder, choose Share, and view who has current access permissions. This overview allows you to add new collaborators